Murisei, welcome to this tutorial where we'll be teaching you 10 most used Shona conjunctions. What are conjunctions? These are the words which are used to join sentences or to join clauses or to join phrases when you are communicating ideas in a sentence. So in this video, we're going to teach you how to use the most commonly used Shona conjunctions and how to actually use them in a sentence. If you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel to show your support to the content that we're creating. And if you have subscribed already, thank you so much for the support. Don't forget to leave your like and leave a comment to show more support to our content. Stay tuned. The first conjunction that we're going to talk about is and. And in Shona becomes the prefix na, or the prefix ne. You can see I have put dots after the translation of and, because when we translate and to Shona, it becomes a prefix to the words. We'll show you in the examples that we're going to go through shortly. The first example, Tendai and Peter are running. This becomes Tendai na Peter vari kumanya. Tendai na Peter vari kumanya. So na, the translation na, is used when you're referring to humans. So you must remember this. Na is used when you're referring or when you're combining ideas or phrases or clauses that are relating to humans. In this case, you can see we are talking about Tendai and Peter. So we use na, the prefix na. So Tendai na Peter vari kumanya. Are running, that's vari kumanya. Okay, let me show you another example where we'll be using ne. I eat and play every day. When we translate this, it becomes ndinodya nekutamba mazuva ose. So in this case, and has been translated to ne. So it has become the prefix ne. Why? Because we are now referring to things that are not humans. So if you're referring, if the phrases that are being combined are referring to maybe verbs or things that are not humans or not referring to specific persons, you're gonna translate and to the prefix ne. So I eat and play every day becomes ndinodya nekutamba mazuva ose. I eat, ndinodya, and play nekutamba every day mazuva ose. Okay, now going to the next conjunction, because in Shona it becomes the word nekuti. So let's use it in example. I am wearing a jacket because it is cold. In Shona it becomes ndakapfeka bhachi nekuti kuri kutonhora. I am wearing a jacket. Ndakapfeka bhachi. I am wearing, it's ndakapfeka. Bhachi, it's jacket, it's bhachi. Because nekuti, it is cold. Kuri kutonhora. Okay, next example. I want water because I am thirsty. The translation becomes ndiri kuda mvura nekuti ndine nyota. I want water, it becomes ndiri kuda mvura. I want, it's ndiri kuda, water, mvura. Nekuti, that's because I am thirsty, ndine nyota. I hope that's clear. Going to the next conjunction, which is for. The translation also becomes nekuti. I know this is a bit confusing. So in Shona, because and for get translated to the same word. Let's do some examples. She is strong, for she runs all the time. The translation becomes akasimba nekuti anomhanya nguva dzose. She is strong, akasimba, for nekuti she runs all the time. Anomhanya nguva dzose. All the time it's nguva dzose. She runs, anomhanya. I hope that's clear. So nekuti, for, has been translated to nekuti, which is similar to because for and because they both are used to show reason why something is there or why something has been done. So it's used to show reason. So in Shona, because and for are translated to the same word, which is nekuti. Another example, I love grandmother's food, for she cooks well. Ndinofarira chikafu chagogo, nekuti vanogona kubika. I love grandmother's food. I love, ndinofarira, grandmother's food, chikafu chagogo. Nekuti, which is for, she cooks well. Vanogona kubika. That's she cooks well. I hope that's clear. Next conjunction, but. It gets translated to the Shona word asi. Asi. Some examples. I want to eat, but I am not hungry. The translation, ndiri kuda kudya, asi handisi kunzwa nzara. I want to eat, that is, I want to eat, that is, ndiri kuda kudya, but asi, I am not hungry. Handisi kunzwa nzara. Okay, next example. Granny loves meat, but she does not have any teeth left. The translation, gogo vanofarira nyama. Granny, in Shona it's gogo, loves meat, vanofarira nyama. Meat is nyama. Asi, but she does not have any teeth left. Havasisina mazino. That's she does not have any teeth left. It's translated to havasisina mazino. I hope that's clear. The next conjunction is or, which is translated to kana. Kana. Okay, let's do some examples. To be or not to be. The Shona translation, kuva kana kusava. To be, it's kuva or kana. Not to be, kusava. Hope that's clear. Next example. What do you want, bread or rice? Unodei chingwa kana mupunga. What do you want? It gets translated to one word, unodei. Unodei, bread, chingwa, or, which is kana, rice, mupunga. Let's go to the next conjunction, which is if. If gets translated to kana as well. So, or if, those two conjunctions, when they're translated to Shona, they become kana. Kana. Let's do some examples. Help me if you love me. It becomes ndibatsirewo kana uchindida. Help me, ndibatsirewo If kana you love me, uchindida. Next example, if you miss me, come over. Kana wandisuwa uya kuno. If, which is kana, you miss me, wandisuwa, come over, which is uya kuno. Uya kuno. Kana wandisuwa uya kuno. Okay. Next conjunction is since. Since in Shona becomes the word kubvira. Kubvira. Some examples. He has been afraid of driving since the crash last year. Anotya kutyaira kubvira paakaita tsaona gore rakapera. He has been afraid of driving. It gets translated to two words. Anotya kutyaira. Since kubvira, the crash, paakaita tsaona, that's the crash, last year, gore rakapera. Anotya kutyaira kubvira paakaita tsaona gore rakapera. Anotya kutyaira, he has been afraid of driving. That's anotya kutyaira. Kubvira, since, which is kubvira, the crash, paakaita tsaona, last year, gore rakapera. Let's do the next example. I have been home. I have been home since it started raining. Ndanga ndakagara mumba kubvira pakwatanga kunaya. I have been home. Ndanga ndakagara mumba since kubvira, it started pakwatanga raining kunaya. I know the sentences that we've been using on since are quite lengthy, but I hope they do make sense when we translate them for you. Okay. Next conjunction is than. Than gets translated to kudarika. Kudarika. Let's do some examples. I am shorter than my friend. Ndiri mupfupi kudarika shamwari yangu. I am shorter, ndiri mupfupi, than kudarika my friend, shamwari yangu. Ndiri mupfupi kudarika shamwari yangu. Another example, Peter runs faster than Tendai. Peter anomanya kudarika Tendai. Peter runs faster. Peter anomanya than kudarika Tendai. Peter anomanya kudarika Tendai. Next conjunction is although. Although becomes the word kunyangwer. Kunyangwer. Although she is smart, she failed the exam. Kunyangwe achigona akafoira zama. Kunyangwe, although kunyangwe she is smart, achigona, she failed akafoira the exam zama. Kunyangwe achigona akafoira zama. She was smiling although she was in pain. Anga achisekerera, kunyangwe anga achirwadziwa. She was smiling. Translated to, anga achisekerera, although kunyangwe she was in pain. Anga achirwadziwa. The last conjunction for this tutorial is until. Until, when translated to Shona, becomes the word kusvika. Kusvika. I am not going to eat until I get home. Handisi kudya kusvika ndava kumba. I am not going to eat gets translated to these two words, handisi kudya, until kusvika I get home, ndava kumba. Ndava kumba. Handisi kudya kusvika ndava kumba. I am on holiday until month end. Ndiri pazororo kusvika mwedzi wapera. I am on holiday. Ndiri pazororo until kusvika month end, mwedzi wapera. This brings us to the end of this tutorial, and thank you so much guys for joining me. If you have any questions regarding anything that we've taught in this tutorial or anything regarding Shona, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments down below. For the love of Shona, see you in the next one. Ndatenda.